Asmama Yamamunyina ha promoto Ebrason say TETE MMOFRA online TV. Ayewo ohwumase tiwa hostel no enchen hwa kaseba yensa kan yedi nyina bremo wiabre na ensem no nagina so ni nyina gina odifo Samuel Prayer and Counseling Center wono waso emu a ewie yede ebrewo ebi ano ha obi ne da so ewa brabom aware mu dia na eye dwuma eye sen na apeso ku anim ewo abrabom ebu okra na ya hensem ebi mu dia ye court de aware ne bu onso kra na ehunhum de o obi nim wiase nsem se de esi ekro sika ko bi na hyemu fie mo petu e de abobra mo mo ye sika ko nso ho adwuma fom no obu ha no obi esum afidie misrew odifo Samuel Prayer and Counseling Center behwe sa na me nyine mu no mo nya gina so wa brabo mtufo ni kire Jaba family house ewo ahembobo anokumase ya menshi asem na make traffic light na sia pe na omwa friend 0245 479724 and I say 0506157020 no omwa na we abre ensem no de edimu akotini bi ene se dom kuma ne dia betudwa se abrante same jamfi ye ntwena so enam sika oyi ne montenso no wonyam no enti ebrekro no anso abrante usu bempase asemu enya asemu atwi nipa ho aso sendi wotan ena mode kasa ade a ene obesese Ghana forma nsem no enkoda boko ura har na ediso hwe ngumasua so de atudwa se aban ne yen hyehyɛ na suapan hodo university no ode bi abeka Ghana fo ho sana kemefo nso yen hyehyɛ na wabobɔ mpatampata dikan ama wona ho akire won obra na nsen ijabransen bi ehye ho no afi nso yebekɔ se watu ma dodofo se wonye dwumaden emfamwa mema ewo abrabom fi se eno ena ebeboa saa nsemi ebi ka ho na ni nyina no mebesen mu dia ma mbretie bi a metwa me ho abai medindie no na opoku ageman Bena nsane na beto dwa se abrante sami jamfi wakoye papa na papa no ibinum ye amana dan ne bone papa oye ne se woyi sika botina na enye Ghana sika yi mu bi na mu American dollar no e de che maame agrada obi anim se Ghana hakane no so ye komfo echi woda no ho ba ye se wa obeyi nyankopon adwenti wada sofo na wachira na maami ebra samijam fi ekan sikarin kakra de ma no se oye na doye no na baby asamijam fi sika wo no an ka mu no wase hwim dodo na aka no se me de ko eno na na bi no bi se na obi chawade a ye se hwim de aka ekura no sika no unum ase ena unum papa wo ye no se de nyame aka na koma na enum ena MPP fo e wo mra se badwa fie no wo ma frɛ ho nsɛntwofo nhia mu o no mo de atudwa se sabrante samije mfie yi sika enye Ghana sika na mum America de amanone na ohim no montene so wode ache na oba na se enya kukudu ahwim eno ekere se enema bi wom eno nti oyo pani kwanchefo pa gold board ono ena na oda no yidie ono no oda no yidie na wobu aban mra so a ewo se ye pam no moma yentie mra se badwafuyi
are calling for the following action or immediate actions. One, the immediate sanctioning of Mr. Semi Jemfe as acting CEO of the Ghana Gold Board. Clearly, it is an affront on the code of conduct. It is against the Foreign Exchange Act. It is against the Currency Act of the country. And even though the Chief of Staff mentioned that ignorance of the law is not an excuse, Mr. Jemfe is never ignorant of the law. He's a lawyer of repute and understands clearly the action and the consequences of the action. So he ought to take responsibility for state. Secondly, we are calling for a full-scale investigation into the source of the dollar bundle displayed in the viral video. Where did he get the dollar form. Ordinary Ghanaian cannot go to the bank and request, even if you have a dollar account. You must demonstrate transaction. You must demonstrate that you are traveling out of the country in order for them to even allow you access your own dollar. So we need a full-scale investigation into the source of the dollar bundle display in that viral video. 3, we expect an apology from the president to the good people of Ghana for the insult this act represents to those suffering under this suffering economy. Let it not be said that this parliament was silent in the face of such brazenness. We will not look on while public officers will not look on while public office is desecrated and the Ghanaian people reduce to beggars in their own country.
Nipa no wakase yemrase wedani o wale ono ene Dr. Tia Mohammed ena udi dom kuma nanimu a yete ne nken na eno ena ma abrantie bia obie nim no Ghana ha na wagye nipa Ernest Owusubempa MPP ni Ghana gas ona na okasa edema won ebra na danko agufado edi ade ona no atonsem num se enukure ni se nipa bi hye da hia ba bi bopo se asem we hu nti abrantie same jamfi yempam no a na yentwena so na eyotan hunu Owusubempa ekiremu a na saadi we Ghana ha esi emanfo eyi sika kufu etobo manfo montene so enukura de obu anu onye ne papa ana na wonse kura mfata enso amanyosem ti tem no ayi ama no no wase abrande samija mfia wahye na brabo ase na owudi ni wandi simu na ase wakoye papa sika no mpomuru su biasa eden na osamanfo de wotan wuram ne ka se chenchena o mampanini ontwena so anase
me no enya exchanges kwama blows. I'm telling you that gentleman will be any will be to me attacking on this particular matter. I'm telling you Mummy and Kandi should go and attack the gentleman. There's nothing wrong. And I'll say it. Nothing wrong. And I will say it anywhere. There's nothing wrong. God, documents can see be a pure. Says Sikabia ira. Yeah, budget, you know. Almost about 50,000 euros. Ira ma go do be a copy baby. And we Jessica Wabonti. And that is a lead. That is a lead. Some of what hearing you.
Minim na ira juma
presidential candidate Japan Japan or then o Jessica man crofo o hwen crofo school fees na da bi wa be president no obi aba ho no yi sika ma obi no obi akotwa na o de aba be yi we have to stop it right there. O man wa real dream e wo ba bi a o tie no. What are you talking about? Ya munya we ahon ya me ahon ya bi say me support no da bi bre wa di Muhammad chia bre and people want to vilify him to get his job out of him. No. Media obi koswa ya me de young men in all country ano eyi wa apologize wa who said the youthful exuberance the no in the full glare of the general public in our culture maybe it's not good. We can vilify him on that grounds, but not.
And that's what we are talking about.
It's not going to help. Let the young man enjoy whatever. Let him enjoy.
What is
Say me ba Sami Jemfi, we are looking at him with an eagle eye. Mumie nyina yenye careful na asema me kan muntie ni. He went on a private mission.
Exactly.
He went out there
where Abranti Ernest Owusubempa ena wachirim se Sami Jemfi nyam from so bia ohia se ye pam no ana mpo asotwe bi eto aso. Na semkuri ya ho ekuro bi nso a wo mo ekasa Brofo Kasem watu ondi advocate for good governance. Ura David Opoku ne dano na omo nto omo ho ase e de omo no atum bi se yempam Sami Jemfi na yentwena so saa se de mrase odwefo no e kan ye ne bonkomo ne ebisa nsem nkyeremu. Minu Apoku yamo ha. Hello Minu Apoku yamo ha ba TETE MMOFRA online TV so. Hello. Babcho mama humano entum mami na ye no Opoku emo nkomo. Hello Opoku mbacho ma ha eti sen. Hello Opoku Yo, Wadaruma, advocate for good governance. Mose, yeah, a branch, yes, a medium fee. Yan Chenason, na ye be someone simnum, Adentina, Yan Chenason.
You, that was it. Now, I make you a tea for no other phone now. Yes, the KBA, now you're a Mahama. We want to do this social contract with Ghanaians. Or the corporate code of conduct. I apply my executives, branch managers, government officials, ministers, deputy ministers, presidential staffers. Any more can now. Or that is a code of conduct.